한 살 더 먹게 되는 떡국을 먹어보겠습니다.
Happy New Year! Today, I'm gonna prepare tteok for New Year. In Korea, we traditionally have tteok on the first day of New Year. Tteok is made of rice, the white one, and guk means soup. So when I googled tteok, it says rice cake soup. I think it sounds quite weird. So I googled tteok and it shows all these images. And do they all look like cakes? Well, I don't think so. Maybe something like this look like cakes, and something like this look like cakes. But how about something like this? Or something like this? I think they should be called as rice chunks rather than rice cakes. I think rice chunks sounds more appropriate, don't you think? So I googled rice cake in English and it shows, well, they don't look like cakes. I think different ducks should have different names for their kind, just like breads have names like croissant, baguettes, focaccia, etc. So you should think this tteok we're gonna use today as rice chunks, and let's start. We need to make stock, so I got a bag of ingredients. I can just put this as a whole into the water and boil it, but I just tore it to show you what's inside. I have dried anchovies, and I've got some brown algae, it's dashima in Korean, and I've got dried prawns. Put these ingredients into the pot and heat the pot. Roast them for some time and then add water. And boil it. This is a bag of tteok. I got it from the market. Some of them are stuck to each other, so I'll wash them and I'll split them. I'll keep it in the water to make it soft. I got mushrooms. I just got it from the market because they looked really good, but they are optional. Cut them into pieces. It smells really good. And the mushroom stem, I'll use them to make our stock taste richer. Got an egg. I'll split the egg yolk and white. We need to fry the egg. the egg yolk. It's very yellow. Okay, they are done. We are back to our stock. I'll remove these bubbles. They don't look nice. Once our stock looks ready, we need to remove all these ingredients. They have finished their job. It looks quite brown and ready. So I'll put ducks into the stock. We'll cook until it boils. Meanwhile, we'll finely cut the fried egg. They are ready to garnish, white and yellow. And see if ducks are cooked and soft. And pour the mushrooms and boil. Spring onion. Will give more flavor to our tteok. And ground garlic. Garlic is one of the most commonly used spice in Korean food. And soy sauce to taste. Then it's ready. It looks quite delicious. We'll garnish with the egg, white and the yellow. I think they look really cute. I've put a little bit of green, which is spring onion. Okay, our tteok is ready. I think it's humble traditional food. We have this on the first day of New Year, so we usually jokingly say that if we have one bowl of tteok, we get 1 year older, and 2 bowls of tteok will get you 2 years older. Do you guys have your own traditional food for New Year? Please share your food by leaving comments.
드셔보세요.
한 살 더 먹게 되는 떡국을 먹어보겠습니다. 이번에 버섯이 맛있어 보였는데.
이번에 산 버섯 넣었어.
떡국
맛이 괜찮아?
정말 포근하게 속에 따뜻해지는 맛입니다. 좋아요. 한 살 더 먹었다. 나이 먹기 싫어.